Right, so now in this video we're going to take it to the next stage, and we're going to create the visor portion of the face mask, which means we're going to attach the plastic sheet, which is the visor material and has the 6 holes already punched in the edge. And we're going to take the visor band, which is cut to the right length and has 2 holes identified that are in the middle at hole 10 and 11. I just want to point out something I forgot in the earlier video, is that these pieces of plastic tend to be curved, and it's best when you're making these marks to make them on the inside of the curve, which you will see in a second why that's helpful. And in this stage, we're going to be using 4-inch standard cable ties. These are found in the electrical department at Home Depot. And the advantage of these short ones is that they're very small, they're thin, and they can go through the holes of the plastic strap. That makes everything really quite easy. Okay, so now we're just going to do the assembly. So I look for these 2 holes here, and I'm going to put the plastic on the outside of the curve here, and just to identify. These cable ties have a certain orientation. If you see there's sort of a little block here, when you put these together, you're going to make a curve, and you're going to be creating a curve with a block on the outside. And by doing that, it latches on it. I'm just going to show you here. It snaps on it and it holds it. If I was to put it on the other way, there's no gripping on it, and it just slides. So that's how these are used. It's important that you get it right. And once you get it wrong a couple of times, you'll be ready to go and make it right every single time. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take this. Again, this is on it's curved. The marks are on the inside of the curve, and the plastic's going on the outside. Now, it's important what direction you insert these in. And with the visor bands, we insert them from the inside, from the outside. No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We're going to go here. But again, so I'm going through one of these holes, through the hole in the plastic, and then back through another hole of the strap. And I assemble this together, and I pull it up. And you don't have to go crazy making it tight. And it's like that. Okay, now I'm going to do that again here, and you'll become an expert. Now what I'm doing is I'm going out to the 2 holes that are out at the edge of the plastic, and I go through here. I'm mindful of the orientation. These are kind of nice because this tip is bent in the direction you want to go to make the circle, and go like this. Like this. Again, it doesn't have to be, you don't have to go crazy with this tightness wise. And then the third one at the other edge. All right, and here we are. Oops. Okay, so that's complete, except that I have to cut off these extra bits, so I go back to my shears or scissors and cut these off. Okay, and then that's done. 3 connections, and the ends are tipped off, and it should look neat and tidy on this, because we've kept the little blocky things on the inside, so they're not on the outside. Okay, that's it.